I always like to say in the profession, there's been even some changes.
Explain that a little bit.
When DEI was going on, there was that big movement for DEI and organizations and all that kind of stuff. The International Economic Development Council took like a big lean in on that. We're not necessarily under, but we're a part of.
Kind of a fraternity, sorority, so to speak. Okay.
Yeah. And so they provided a lot of like equity documents, some research, sort of practices that people can do to bring those kinds of principles into their communities. Because I think when we're talking about economic development, we didn't really have a lot of thought to, some people did, obviously, but to equitable economic development and what does that look like. So there's been some changes and practices bringing those into communities, and that's been interesting to see. Also, I would say housing and workforce and broadband would be the three things that we've never really been focused on as economic developers before really intensely. And those are the three things that through the pandemic sort of shone a light on that we need to be very mindful of.